I want to thank this brand for sending these sconces for us to try. Okay, so let me show you how it comes right out of the box. It's packaged really well. And you have your lamp shade covers here. It's a white, kind of a paper type fabric. Here's your light bulb, and this is what you're gonna charge up. So when it's time to recharge this, you don't have to take the whole thing down. You just unscrew the light bulb and charge that up and then screw it back in. And of course it comes with the remote control. I'm really impressed about how well they package this. There's not a lot of pieces, but each piece is individually wrapped. So it's gonna be really easy to put this together. Now, I love this, that you can bend this. So if you don't want it to stick out, which I'm gonna put it in a hallway, so I don't want it to stick out. So I can press it all the way up again so it's nice and flat. If you had this by your bedside, you'd be able to open this up, swing it around, pull it out however you want to. If you're reading or if you just want extra light, it's really adjustable. Screw this piece off before you put the light bulb in. Then you're gonna put the shade on, screw this back into place. That's gonna keep your shade from moving around, and then your light bulb. Okay, so I've got the remote control here, and you can turn it on and off. You can change the color. You can do red, green, blue, and then of course you can do the white, the warm, and then one that's more natural. You can make it at 30%, 50%, and 70% if you wanna dim it. I will probably keep it on the warm. You can set it on a timer. So let's say you have people over and like this is gonna be in my hallway. When they're going to the bathroom, then you can have just a little bit of light and it's automatically gonna turn off so you don't have to worry about ruining the battery. And then very easy to put this on the wall. You're just gonna unscrew this, mark this on the wall, and then screw this back on. And again, once it's up there, then you don't have to take it down to charge it up. You just unscrew the battery. So I'll show you what it looks like once we get it up on the wall.
I'm hanging these sconces and they come with a nice little brace that goes underneath them, and the sconce will screw into the top and bottom here, so you really can't mess it up. You can put the holes wherever you want. Now I'm just going to put the sconce on. Takes one screw, put it on the brace, screw it on top.
Okay, so here's the final product flanking our bookcase here. I might even spray paint these black so they'll just stand out a little bit more, but really nice. They're very, very tall, the longest ones I've seen, so I really love that. Comes with a charging pack, comes with an extra light bulb, and then you can just see how nice this is gonna be. I can just sit on the couch and control both of them at the same time. Oh, and if you hold it in the middle, it's gonna change both of them. So I really love this. I love having a little bit of extra light, and I don't like having the big lights on at night. So these are very pretty, very elegant. I'm really happy with these.